Don't really know my alphabet, so I can only go up to G. And then G. Wait, let's try again. A, G. Wait. A, B, C, D, F, G, Z. There we go. I've done it! Yes! I've done it! Yes, Mush! Mush. Oh, come on, I'm not 6 again. Yes! Come on, I did it! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Z. Yes. Victory! High five! Okay, if you just high five me, you are gay! Yeah, you're not. You're a legend. Tra la 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 la. Whoa, that light is pretty sick. Let's go into my living room and see who's winning on the football.
Still a few seconds away from 45 minutes. Watch this first touch here, lovely touch. And the left leg of Fuentes sticks out, knows he's done, and he takes out Alexis Sanchez. No argument from Fuentes. So Barcelona will have time to take this set piece. Espanyol's defence has stood strong, but very easy to hold in the first half.
Okay, this was a bit random. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video, favorite this video, share my channel to your friends, tell all your friends about it. Unless you don't have friends, no friends. Yeah, peace out.